Hey love, so today we have a really exciting video. I have teamed up with Magic Links and City Beauty to bring you this haul. Thank you so much to them sponsoring this video for me. I am really falling in love with this brand. A lot of these products are very new to me, so we are going to consider this video a haul. I'm going to show you what I got, what I've been loving so far. So what is great about City Beauty is they are one of those brands that likes to formulate their products with anti-aging benefits in mind. So it's, let me see what they called it. I was reading on their website how to explain this. It says they are not your average beauty company. We specialize in what we call functional beauty, meaning all of our products are designed to not only make you feel beautiful while you wear them, but to provide deeper benefits. So most of what I have is all skincare, and then there are some lip products. The lip product I am wearing right now is, first of all, look how cute this packaging is. I think this is the most bougie, and I mean that in a good way, lip product I have ever gotten. So this is the City Lips Matte. They are plumping. I forgot they were plumping, and I put it on. Girl. Okay, my lips are still wonky because I will have wonky lips for life. But my lips have never looked better. They've never looked better. Oh, this is Blush Rose. Of course, I had to get the nudes. So I think I have 4 lip products and the rest are skincare. I have been testing these out for about the past week. So I can tell you some of them, what I think of them so far. But so far, girl. So far, so good. There is all freedom on this video. They said I could create anything I want. So I want you guys to know, of course, I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. And as you guys know, I am very interested in skincare. I am a licensed esthetician now. So this stuff means a lot to me. And if you guys are interested in plumping lip products and skincare, you are in the right place. Just keep watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more here on my channel. Let's do this. So another thing I wanted to touch base on in their description of about their products is each product is formulated to target specific concerns, whether it's to volumize thinning lips, brighten dark spots, and improve the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines or smooth skin texture. They are a cruelty-free company, of course, that is very important. All right, let's get to the good stuff. I haven't used every single product, but I'm going to show you the ones that I have been using and what so far my favorite ones are. Tried to test most of them, but the ones that I have really tested, you know when you like put on a skincare product and you can like feel it and it already just like makes your skin feel good like instantly? We got some of those. Okay, the first thing I am going to talk about is the Invisicrepe Body Balm. So this guy is formulated for like your neck area, your décolleté, other areas of your body. I honestly worry about that. This is the area that's going to show like the signs of aging, I feel, faster than anything else. You gotta take care of your décolleté. Like I feel like for so long I didn't, and I'm kind of disappointed in myself, but we're changing that. We're changing that. Yes, we are. I really like all of their packaging. It's kind of got a soft matte with a gold lid. Most of them come with little spoons, which you'll see in the other ones. This one does not, because you need a bigger amount of product. You get 5 fluid ounces. It's just used the size of a quarter. I'm not sure if you really need that much, honestly. I feel like a little bit goes a long way. This stuff smells so good. Of course, it gives you that initial like softer feeling because you're moisturizing, you're hydrating. But I do feel like it has made a difference in the softness of my neck and décolleté. So I will put the price of the products on the screen. Again, these are pricier products. They are a luxury brand, but I feel like when it comes to skincare, they are very average price for skincare. I'm so bad at scents, but it smells fresh and good. It's not a strong scent. It's just enough. God, it reminds me of something. I can't put my finger on it, but this is what it looks like. They sent all of these little cards, and this was just, I placed my order like a normal customer. So therefore I was able to get like the actual customer experience. It came in about a week, really quick shipping. If you spend over $50, usually it's free shipping. And honestly, a lot of their products, with the exception of their lip products, are over $50. So if you want to try something out, usually you can get that. So on this guide, it says that you need to use it for about 60 days in order to see the maximum results. So that's really not that long to start seeing really good results. Most skincare, I feel like it takes a couple, like 2 to 3 months at least, to start seeing some results. Of course, there is the first initial, like I want a product that's going to make my skin feel better right away. But I know that realistically, it's going to take some time to start seeing some results in my actual skin. All right, so that is the first one that I've really been loving. This is the Invisicrepe Body Balm. All of these, of course, will be linked down below for you guys to check out if you would like to. They are affiliate links, so use them at your own discretion if you want to. If you don't want to, it's cool, but this will let them know that I sent you. This little baby, this is the multi-action sculpting cream. Oh my goodness, this feels so good on your skin. I have been using this both at night and in the morning, and I feel like it's just an instant, it's like a little bit cooling. I don't even know how to describe it. Like, you just know this Big Sis joined us. You know those products you just put on your face and you're like, girl, it just felt so good. I literally told my mom, I told my best friend, as soon as I tried this, like within a couple of days, I was like, you guys have to check this out. This is one of my favorite things I've put on my face in a really, really long time. I try so much skincare. I love skincare so much. I'm always testing new things. It's been a really, it's been hard for me to come out with a skincare routine because I'm always changing it up. But I'm definitely going to keep using this guy and keep you guys posted because I'm seriously loving it so much. And that's 100%. Product should be applied as the last step of your skincare routine to seal in moisture. So you will use this as your moisturizer. You always want to apply your serums and other things first, and then you want to use your moisturizer last because moisturizer mostly is a barrier to keep everything in. I do feel like this made my face look so smooth and so good. This is again a quarter sized amount. I really don't think you need that much. I feel like these are going to last so much longer if you don't use quite that much. I haven't used a little scoop. I'm one of those people that will open it and just take it off the I thought I dropped it. Take it off the lid. So I think you can see it. I'm not going to pop him out of there. I will lose him. I will lose him 10 out of 10. So I wanted to keep it all in the box so I could show you guys. And now then I will take it out and I will probably try the little scooper because why not? I feel like that's really beneficial when it starts to get down to the bottom. Plus it's going to minimize the chances of you getting bacteria in your product because if your hands aren't 100% clean, you should be obviously washing your hands before you put on your skincare anyway to help minimize breakouts and anything like that. You want to keep your skin healthy and clean. I hope that's obvious and makes sense. This one, again, all of their skincare has just such a nice fresh scent. It's a very minimal scent, but it smells like skincare in the best way. It smells like fancy skincare. Let's get real, because it kind of is. It just, it just makes your skin feel so smooth. Like out of everything, I think this guy is my favorite, but now I'm literally obsessed with this lip product. It's like hair time to use it at night. You really want to do your skincare number one at night. Of course, it's really great for you to moisturize and do your skincare in the morning as well. But I feel like this one wears well under makeup, but also just that feeling of I love going to bed with my face feeling super hydrated and just feeling good. Like I feel like, when you put on skincare sometimes and it's not that great of skincare and your face just kind of feels like meh, like it's still a little bit dry. It won't with this. So I promise you, this is my favorite thing. All right, the next thing that I've really been loving is the Under Eye Recovery. It's an eye treatment that helps reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for brighter, fresher looking eyes. So I really am loving this. Of course, you haven't been using it long enough to really notice a big difference. You get 0.5 ounces, which I guess is pretty standard for a eye cream. It says after cleansing skin, gently pat to under eye up to twice daily. So what I do is I just take a tiny, tiny bit. I don't need a full pump. I usually do about a half a pump and then just kind of take it and tap it on my under eye like any other eye cream you would. I really do like it. I do feel like it does really hydrate my under eyes. Again, I can't really give you the full benefits because I haven't tried it long enough. If you guys want an updated, let's plan to do an updated skincare with this stuff because I'm really excited about it. And on first application, I really like it. And if it's also going to give me long-term results, I'm a fan. But this one, definitely a nighttime love. All right, next we have the Ageless Moisturizing Cream. I do really like this. When I compare it to the Sculpting Cream, I'm not as impressed. I do really like this though. This is a really great solid moisturizer, but I feel there's just something about that Sculpting Cream that is my absolute favorite. So there is a little spoon as well on this guy. This one smells so good though. It kind of smells like a little tiny bit like oranges. It just smells so good and fresh and slightly citrusy. I love this packaging. I feel like I'm one of those weirdos that will keep stuff in packaging for way too long. So that again, it says you can apply it morning and night. Spread a generous layer on the entire face and neck, particularly in the problem areas such as forehead, crow's feet, between the eyes, and upper lip. Oh, girl. This has some good stuff in it, you guys. I really do need to start using this one more often. I'm just going to kind of switch to try and use these every single night. I don't have enough products for my entire skincare routine because I don't think they have a toner. I didn't pick up a toner. Okay, so this has the oligopeptides technology, fuels skin collagen synthesis, and the skin's dermal matrix for increased youthful appearance. That's awesome. Another one, the hexapeptide 3. Peptides are good. A unique peptide that safely reduces the appearance of existing facial wrinkles. That's cool. And then it has kombucha in it. Naturally helps restore the lack of skin's volume, thickness, instantly plump, radiant, healthy looking. This guy I have not used yet. This is their Youth Rejuvenating Cleanser. This gentle exfoliating cleanser removes dead skin cells, hydrates skin, and promotes the look of an even-toned, softer, healthier, more radiant looking skin. This one they did not send one of these little cards with. It's the only one that's missing. So we will just kind of look at the back and talk about it. Morning and evening, gently massage into dampened skin. It's a cleanser. All right, so this is what the cleanser looks like. This guy was the most affordable out of all of them. I think he was $39, might be crazy. But for a cleanser, that's really not bad. Ooh, look at the bottom, you guys. this is what the actual cleanser looks like. Let's give it a sniff because I always want to know what stuff smells like. If anything in skincare is too strongly scented, I usually do not like it. Like it better have really good benefits for me to put on my face. I can't put a finger on it. Look at that though. Oh, she cute. She pink. Maybe pomegranates, but that might just be me like imagining that from looking at it. Okay, so this guy, I will keep you posted. We will test him out. You guys know I've been like on the search for a new cleanser, so anytime I can try a new one, I'm really excited to, because I fell in love with the Thirsty Mud from Glam Glow, and that one is no longer made. I do really like the bubble one from Glam Glow, but the positive of this guy is that it is cruelty-free, so it's going to make me, you know, want to purchase it more. All right, guys, I have been wearing lashes less. I'm sure you don't believe that because every time you see me, I have them on. I usually do wear them when I film or when I'm going out or if I'm just on days that I feel like it, but I am probably wearing them half as much as I used to. So I have been wearing just mascara on some days, but you know, your girl loves long lashes. So when I saw that they had their own lash serum, I jumped. That was the first thing in my cart. This guy is a pricey penny though. He is $90. Oh my goodness. So I'm hoping that this will be amazing. I haven't started using it yet, but if you guys want me to update you on this, I definitely will. I've used Rapid Lash in the past and I did really like that. It's been quite some time since I've used it because I've just been wearing lashes for the last few years, but I feel myself wanting to just wear mascara some days. My lashes are not as long as they used to be, of course, because I have been wearing lashes nonstop for years. I am very excited to try this guy. I'm going to just read you the back really quick. It says City Lash is a powerful lash conditioning serum designed to safely and effectively give you the look of longer, fuller lashes. Formulated with ingredients that support hair health like biotin, keratin, hyaluronic acid, and panathol, this lash conditioner will give you long, beautiful lashes with no irritation. Over time, City Lash supports the growth cycle of your hair, so you'll be able to grow your own natural lashes and eliminate the need for mascara or false lashes. Girl, I will always use mascara. Like, mascara is like my number one. Obviously, I love false lashes, but I can't even wear false lashes without wearing mascara. Apply nightly onto clean, dry skin. Sweep applicator tip along the upper eyelash line and allow product to absorb into the skin before applying additional products. Can be used up to 2 times daily. So you're probably going to want to put this on before you put on your eye cream or anything. That's going to be my plan, is to kind of wash my face, put this on, let it dry, let it absorb, and then go in with my skincare, because I don't want to, if there's hydration around your eye, it could mess up where it goes. And if there's too much liquid around your eye, I feel like you could risk it getting into your eye, which is something I do not want. So again, I am super excited to try this, and it doesn't say on here how long it takes, but I know with other ones it's taken me a couple months to really see results, and it's kind of like, it feels like it happens overnight once it does happen. So I assume this guy is going to be the same. The reviews on this, honestly, the reviews on all of these products were crazy good, so I was really excited to try them, but the reviews on this were really, really good. It just got that little tip and you use it. I'm really excited. I'll try and start using this guy tonight so we can get on the results of this. All right, now what we have left are lip products. And I do want to say, while these are plumping, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It kind of reminds me of the Buxom glosses, where there's just kind of that minty, tingly, maybe up like a notch, but not super uncomfortable. I'm one of those people that has like a nervous habit of biting my lips. I'm really bad at hydrating my lips. Like, I need to get better. I know I do. That being said, I'm always scared to use plumping products because I feel like they're gonna hurt. When I was younger, I tried, I think it was the Too Faced one. Oh, and it burned. That being said, this one, again, I can feel it, but it's not uncomfortable. My upper lip is super small. I feel like it looks good. And I feel like they look smoother because they are always dry. I put on a little bit of chapstick earlier, but that's it. And of course they are slightly overlined because my lips are uneven, so I do always line them and then slightly overline one side because I want them to appear more even. Really loving it. The only downside of these lip products is they are a little bit pricey. They are $35 each, which is a lot for a lip product. I'm not gonna lie. You know me, I like $5 products most of the time. I've been wearing an e.l.f. lipstick almost every day, but first of all, this color is beautiful. This is one of the most comfortable matte lips I've put on in a really long time. I feel like it's like a comfort matte. I'm going to read you about it. So there's hyaluronic acid spheres in there, and those plumping spheres use the skin's own natural moisture to give wrinkles a plumped up look from the inside out, which makes sense. That's what hyaluronic acid does. Oligopeptide technology fuels skin collagen synthesis in the skin's dermal matrix for increased youthful appearance. The moisturizing oil blend, ylang ylang, flower, and jojoba oil form a barrier that effectively locks in moisture and comfort and smooths and rejuvenates dry, chapped lips. That's awesome. Multifunctional elastomer system. a unique transformative technology that allows for an emollient, silky smooth glide to dry down lightweight powdery matte finish. So true. When I put it on, it felt super creamy, kind of like a lip cream, and then it did dry down. Oh, see? Yes, girl. A little bit around the edge, but that could just be my lip liner too. Yes, loving it. Okay, so again, the shade that I am wearing is Blush Rose. I will swatch this on the back of my hand. I'm going to swatch them all on the back of my hand. They kind of smell like creamsicle, to be real with you. This one is a pinky rosy nude, of course. So up my alley. I think I got 2 nudes, a berry, and a gloss. I just had to go with the ones that I knew that I would wear. Okay, so this is the pink nude gloss. So she's pigmented, but not like crazy pigmented. So this one also is a plumper. It's just a plumping gloss. All right, so this next one is Pink Taupe. So this one is a little bit darker than the other nude. They're actually very close. This one's just a couple shades darker. You can kind of see the difference, how it goes on really creamy, and then this one over here is more dry and powdery. So they take a couple minutes to dry, but the finish is so nice. All right, and the last one is Garnet. Oh, she pretty. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, wow. Look how beautiful that color is. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we'll definitely be trying her. So pretty. All right, so there are all 4 of the lip products. Super excited about these. Again, I know that they are kind of a pricey price for a lip product, but they are a 2-in-1 and they're going to give your lips some additional benefits. So I do appreciate that about these products. And to be real with you guys, would I be able to afford this right now if they weren't sending this to me? No, I wouldn't. But if you have the money and you like lip plumping products, I would definitely check these out. This is honestly the most comfortable actual plumping product that I've ever tried. Again, I do compare it to the Buxom one, but I feel like this actually gives you results. I do feel like my lips look plumper and smoother. This is, again, the best my lips have looked in a while, especially with a matte lipstick on. You guys know. All right, loves, so I think that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really do appreciate working with City Beauty and Magic Links. They have been super great, and I do appreciate the freedom for me to do whatever I want with this video. That's always great when, I mean, I only ever take sponsored videos that I am able to say or do whatever I would like. I am really impressed with these products. I'm excited to keep using them. I'll definitely update you guys in the next couple months. I want to be able to really fully use them to give you a full review. But on first initial try of almost everything, I'm super impressed. And again, it does seem pricey, but for luxury skincare, it's really not that bad. I'm hoping that I get good results from the lash serum. I'm just really excited to try out all of these. You guys know I love skincare. It's, you know, it's something that's really important to me and something I truly believe in. So really excited about this company. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could, because it does help me out so, so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. And if you are already subscribed, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. We have been updating it kind of randomly lately. Obviously, I will always be there Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but to catch the additional videos, definitely hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload on days at 12 p.m. Pacific time. All right, loves, I think that is everything. And again, thank you to City Beauty and Magic Links for partnering with me on this video. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Lips, brighten, dark spot. Women's life to be similar. Similar. I can speak. I have been using this most. You just gonna sit back there? Spread a generous layer onto the entire face and neck. I normally use the Glam Glow one, and they are going to give your lips some additional benefit, especially because we are uploading on kind of random days this lately.